Hey guys, it's Ivy and welcome to the coupon camp, guys. We are in Walgreens for our 1/31/2021 couponing deals of the week. I have a $5 budget, $10 in registered reward and coupons, so let's go. God, I guess they don't get these books out no more. They haven't been there in a minute. Guys, I got 1.5 feet of snow, 1.5 feet. Okay, so here we have Revlon coupons. Okay, who is this? No, that's Milan. That's Milan. Why is Milan over here with Revlon? Is it mixed? Is it taking over? Something, I don't know. But anyway, you got a lip, $5.29, and that actually is, that'll be $2 or $4, I think, whichever one the coupon is for. Then Milan has stuff on sale. That's Black Radiance. And then Wet n Wild. And let's see, you got Almay, all of those. Oh, what's that? My Walgreens cash reward with Sally Hansen. Spent $15. So if you want to, that's $2.29 for Sally Hansen. I wanted to do it exclude. It don't exclude that, so you might could grab those. Okay, so you got Gillette over here. That was $12.99. Now it is $3.29. Those are a good deal. That's an orange tag. If you got a good coupon through, check your Walgreens app. I think it's a good coupon through there. They got more Gillette, buy one at $2.99. We'll get 50% off. Okay, and then here is some more coupons that they got. Old Spice, $4.59. One for $3.49 was somewhere around here. Okay, last week I hit the good deals because I got deodorant, that good deodorant that I desperately needed for dirt cheap. So these are all of the other ones. Dove, they supposed to have a Dove for $2.99 and we got a $1.50 off coupon. I do not see that Dove, so, but it should be one of these, I believe, those right there. So okay, so here's a Nivea, $2 on Walgreens cash when you buy two. We have a $3 off for 2 Nivea coupon, or you might try that $2 off for men's. Two of them. These are $4.99. 2 of the $2 Niveas. Okay. Then here's one right here. Same thing, 2 for $3, $6.99, and you get a $2 register reward for the Nivea. Okay. So those are good deals. Then I told you about we had a good deal on these. It's $1 a piece, 2 for $12. You could pay with points and bring it down. Okay, guys, here it is right here. Remember when I told you it's always going to be a deal on Tresemme? 2 for $8. Then you got a $4 off of 2, so you'll pay $2 a piece for those. But I'm pretty sure Target will probably even have a better deal. Okay, so just search around before you start buying. Okay, they baby orange tag deals are still going on up in here. Okay. That was Carefree. Let me see. I think it was this one. 2 for $8. I had 6. Let me scan this right quick. I'm looking for, I think it was this one. Okay, so these are 2 for $8. I have a $5 off of 2 Carefree on my other card. I'm going to grab these, okay? And pay $3 or $1.50 each for these. Okay, you got a coupon for Summer's Eve. It's $1.50 off 2, and these are buy one get one free at $3. And buy one get one 50% off at $3.29. I'm just doing an FYI. I won't be grabbing that though. So the next deal I'm gonna grab 3 of these Crest 3D whites. 3 Crest 3D white at $3.99. We have a $5 off of 3. Spent about 3, you get a $6 register reward. So I'm going to pick up 3 of those, which I already put in my basket. Already got them. And then on my other card, I'm going to grab the Colgate Total. I'm going to grab the ones for $3.79. If you scan them, this come up the $1 coupon. Buy 2 of these, and you get a $4 register reward. Now, you have $1 digital and $1 paper you have to use, okay? Not the 50-cent one, the $1 paper that came out this week. Okay, that Febreze is 2 for $6. But we got a BOGO and a P&G. Buy one, get one free. So I'm going to grab 4 of these, 2 of these blue ones, which is Bora Bora. And then 2 of the lilacs airs. Look at that. You can see through the bottle. Oh, okay. See that? You can see through the bottle. Okay, down here they got some. This Ajax right here. Is that the right one? 28 ounce. Just an honorable mention, which I'm going to grab one. They're $1.99. You use the 50% off coupon that's on our app, and they are $1.50, $1.49 a piece. This is well worth it, guys. So I'm going to grab another one of these because my mom did take 2 with her yesterday. And remember, I'm using 2 accounts. Now, I buy dish tablets. This is worth it, $3.49. Buy one, get one free. And it is 20 tablets in a box. That's real worth it. But I have tons of it, so I'm not going to get it. Cascade is $4.99. We do have a $1 off coupon for that. And the Pyrex crystals is coming in, I think, at $2.99. You got a $1 off coupon. Make these $1.99 a piece. The Arm & Hammer was coming in at $2.99. Got a $1 off coupon. Make these $1.99 a piece. Then the Arm & Hammer liquid was $2.99. We have a $1 off coupon, making it $1.99 a piece. Then we do have a $1 off Pyrex, but the best place to buy your Pyrex, guys, is if you check out my Walgreens, Walmart couponing matchup video. You'll see that those are much cheaper somewhere else. So right here, we want to grab the 3 for $8.88 cases of pop, and this is a good deal. You guys know I buy the pop from here. I never tasted the 0 sugar. I don't want it to be nasty, so I'm not going to touch it. I'm going to grab 2 Canada Dries and 1 Dr. Pepper. Okay, right now this is how my deal look. I have 1, 2, 3 of these, and they are 3 for $8. And then I have the Buy 3 Crest. Use the $5 off digital coupon that they gave us, and then buy and get a $6 register reward. And these are 2 for $6, but we got the BOGOs. Buy one, get one free from the February P&G. I do also have a $5 off of my $5 my cash reward for spending $20, so we'll also get that, okay? Okay, honorable mention, my favorite, 2 for $1. The Arizonas, all of them are 2 for $1 right now. That's a great deal, but I just bought tea, so I'll pass on that one. Okay, these are buy one at $2.79, get 2 free. And here it is right there, 3 for $2.79. So I'm going to grab 1 snack and 2 freezer storages. So grab 2 freezer storages. Okay. Alright. Okay, and then down here, they still have that $1.25 off of where is it at? Here it is. So they still have a $1.25 off, plus we still have a 50-cent coupon. I'm not going to grab this today, but this is $5. The coupon is for $1.25. Then you get another paper coupon for 50 cents. Okay, that's still a great deal, but believe it or not, guys, I have tons of it. I know it's hard to believe, but I do. Okay, I see some orange tags. Oh, the orange tags is on this Vega sports stuff. Okay, so I just like to take you all through the run of the store after we get our stuff. We're going to see how we're going to do. There it is. This drink is still here. Those drinks are still there. Look at all the beautiful Valentine's Day stuff they got. Fantastic, ain't it? Oh my goodness. Tons of it. That's cute. Okay. So let's go check out and see what we get. We are back from Walgreens doing our Walgreens haul, which we had some problems in there. On my second haul where I did the Carefree and the buy one, get 2 free storage bags and the Ajax, the Crest coupon, the Colgate coupon did not come off, so I told them to take it off. The Colgate didn't come off, and then when I looked at it, the money didn't come off. So I'm like, you know what? No, because that was part of my cash. So that was $5 out of pocket, and then I paid with my points, and I got this back right here. Spend $30 get $7 Walgreens cash reward. And then on the second one, we know this was a buy one get one free or 2 for $6. So if you use the BOGO, then you get 4 of them for $6. Then I bought the Crest that was $3.99. We had a $5 off coupon, and it gave me a $6 registry reward back. And I also got this along with it. Spend $30, get $7 off. And then I bought 3 cases of pop. The third case is still in the truck right there. So the things for the first one that I bought, as you can see, all those coupons came off. The subtotal came up to $15. I used $10 of cash rewards. I used $10. Paid $9.26 out of pocket. But look at this, guy. I started off with $20. I got $5.22. I used $10, and I still got my $15.34. So if you go over your price of what you are paying, then you will get your bucks, because I did get the $5 reward. So I'm at $15. That's fine with me. Thanks, guys. I hope you all enjoyed that, and I made $6 in return. So technically, my haul was nothing but $3. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, share this channel. Bye.